Alright, we're gonna seafoam this thing a little bit. We're gonna put like half in the intake and then half in the gas tank. We can't really drive it hard, which you're supposed to drive it hard after it sits for a little while.
Oh yeah. Let's rev it.
As long as it's in there, it'll like sit and break stuff up.
Might have to give it some gas.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's give it some
gas. What are you
gas.
good for?
I'm the cameraman.
Okay. Try two. Oh, okay. What?
That might be too much of a vacuum leak.
We're gonna get it. Okay. So now, I don't even know where the vacuum lines are.
Oh,
we can do a brake boost there? No. Well, yeah, actually.
like this probably?
Well, the one that, what about the one that goes into the, way down there? What? This thing is clicking. If anybody watches these videos and are into these things, this thing is clicking. I don't know what the, it's just clicking. So, let me know. And it goes with the RPM of that engine. So. Alright. Well, we clearly weren't prepared to seafoam this because I have no idea how to do it.
throw it down in the comments if you know where to seafoam this, because we're gonna totally read your comment before we seafoam it. Not. Unless this was like, unless we can go back in time, you know. You can go forward in time, see this video, see the comments, and then reshoot the video back in time. What?
Alright, we're gonna try it again on that thing, but he's gonna hold the rip'ems, and I'm gonna don't. Yeah, hold it like halfway open. Okay. Watch out for that fan. Yeah.
What the fuck, dude? Stupid fan!
Dude, we can't.
Get a funnel.
Yeah, we can get a funnel. Take two.
100.
Okay, I'm gonna do this and then you pour into that. Go, 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 go. Okay, now we're gonna let it run for like, what? Like, what, you turn it off right now?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off. And then you let it sit so it can sit in the lines and shit. What? Instructions? I know, that's what I was saying. See, you can put it in your oil too. I put it in the oil in that thing, it's still in there. You're supposed to change it after like 2,000 miles. I figure it burnt it off by now. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit in here, and I might sneak a little bit into the oil too. It's gonna rain too.
Sick.
Yep, I saw all the cows were lying down.
That means it's gonna rain?
Yep. When the cows are lying down,
then you know it's gonna rain.
Stop, I had a rhyme.
Alright.
When the cows are lying down, those ants are gonna drown.
Comedy gold!
Completely just made that up.
Woo! Poland, dude, nice.
Is that a GTR?
It was a.
I think it usually just goes in. That's how I do it on that thing.
Yeah, dude, it goes in totally.
Fuck off.
Do we need the funnel?
Oh, it's all going down there.
Sick, it's gonna eat that plastic dip right off.
Imagine if Seafoam is the key. Imagine if we just discovered something amazing.
Yeah, it just reacts with it and just fucking.
And just like melts it off.
Oh, rust comes off.
Come on. That was hidden.
Come on.
Oh, that's cool.
Want to know something funny that I did earlier? Because I couldn't help it. There's a little piece of plastic dip peeling off right here. So
Oh, you scumbag.
it just came right off, dude.
That's why you were saying that. I want to keep it on because for like the first 3 months of this thing's life, it's gonna get worked on a lot, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, you could always just get another can of plastic.
Well, I ordered suspension parts, 17-piece suspension kit, so that'll be in like a week. And then I need tires, and then I need registration, and then I need inspection. So, you know, only about $1,000 more. It's no big deal.
Mm-hmm.
Making about $300 a week, so we'll see you guys in 2 years.
Ruined Honda. Oh, it's not focused. Oh, there we go.
The New England edition breaker bar and socket.
Mint.
Should plastic dip it.
Christian, what are you doing? Can't light it on fire already.
All right, if you guys know a way to get these little caps off that I don't know, please inform us, because right now I'm heating this up so I can stick a hole through, so I can make a hole in order to pry it out, because it's like so tight. I don't get it. I just don't understand. Didn't even work. I don't know. So this is actually one that like we're actually gonna have to read the comments. I don't get it, dude.
It's supposed to be a little recessed spot.
Supposed to turn it. Oh, maybe if
Ooh, you might be onto something.
Oh, I actually just fucked up the finish on the wheel.
Dude. Man.
It's not my fault.
Oh my god. Woo!
Fuck you. It doesn't make sense.
It's starting to smoke. Aww. Ooh, that looks sweet.
Man, it's so stupid loud.
I know. It looks cool when it hits the ground. It was like, whoosh, like flying out.
There's actually smoke?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely smoking.
Oh, look at
Just
all
not
that smoke. It's
as
not
much.
thumbnail worthy. Fuck.
No. I was wondering, yeah. I wonder if it like all got stuck somewhere in the plenum or something. Ooh, that sounds sick, dude. I got an actual exhaust note there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was like,
I can't even
Here,
do
you wanna
that
see it?
comfortably.
Slash hear it.
Keep going. Chill, alright. Yo, a lot of smoke came out.
Yeah, I saw it, dude. Holy shit.
Nice, it's all in the air.
Killed it.
Hitting limiter, bro?
Yeah. Sounds sick.
It does.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.